Okay, dear students, now we are going to practice a dialogue. At this moment, Aradha Shaha is Salam, Tonusre is Aisha, and Aradha Kaur is Mita. Now let's get started.
Hello, I'm Rita. I'm in class 4. Hello, I'm Salam. I'm in class 2. Nice to meet you. Who's your friend? This is Aisha. She is in class 3. Hello, Aisha. Nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm fine, thanks.
Well done. Very good. Now, dear students, now listen to them again. And Razi is Salam now, and Tonusre is Aisha, and Sinha is Mita. Now let's get started.
Hello, I'm Rita. I'm in class 4. Hello, I'm Salam. I'm in class 2. Nice to meet you. Who's your friend? This is Aisha. She is in class 3. Hello, Aisha. Nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm fine, thanks.
Well done. Okay, students, now listen to them. They are making a dialogue. And now, Sifat is Salam, Sohani is Aisha, and Aradha is Mita. Okay, let's get started.
Hello, I'm Mita. I'm in class 4. I'm Salam. I'm in class 4 Nice to meet you. Who's your friend? This is Aisha. She's in class 3. Hello, Aisha. Nice to meet you. Hello, nice to meet you too. How are you? I'm fine, thanks.
Well done.
Dear students, today we are going to play a game. And the name of the game is Back to the Board. Do you want to play? The name of the game is Back to the Board. I am writing the name. Back to the. Dear students, to play this game, I would like to divide you into 2 groups. And Group A and Group B. Okay, you guys Group A and you guys Group B. Okay, Group A, raise your hand. Okay, hands down. The Group B, raise your hand. Hands down. Dear students, before starting the game, we need to know the rules of game. Okay, to play this game, I need one volunteer from each group who will come here and sit on this hot seat. Okay, the other members of the group, and then I will write a word on board, and the other members of the group will describe the word by giving definition, by using miming, by using similar word, by using opposite word, by using different types of clues, and so on. Okay, ready? So now, but mind it, if you utter the actual word that will be written on the board, you will get 0. And if the volunteer who will come and sit on the hot seat will be able to describe or will be able to guess the word, his teammates will get 1 mark. Okay? And if he fails to guess the word, his teammates will get 0. Clear? Have you got it? Okay. Now I would like to invite a volunteer from Group A. Who will come? Please come and sit here. Okay. Now I'm writing the word. Your time is 30 seconds. The time starts now. Start. Okay, describe. Quick, very quick. Start up.
We go to a
done. The word is school. Okay. Group A will get 1 point. Okay. Now, Group B. Your turn. Who will come? Who will come? Come on, sit here. Start.
I am. A man who go to school.
Well done. Well done. The word is student. Let me kill up for it. Okay. Now, Group B will also get 1 mark. Okay. Thank you, everybody. Now, the winner is both the Group A and Group B. A big clap for everybody.